it's so great to see you today. I think it's time to learn a dance now. I wonder what it will be.
Let's ask the Wonderwall to send us some clues. Wonderwall, can you send us some clues for our dance, please? The Wonderwall has sent us our clue basket.
I wonder what's in here today.
Let's take a look.
Ooh,
A music sheet? Well, this makes sense because when we do our dances, we always have music in the background.
that does make sense, doesn't it? What's this? Oh, it's a ballerina dance skirt. Well, this makes sense too because as ballerinas, we always need costumes.
Yes. What's next? A jewellery box? This one's kind of tricky.
I have an idea though.
What?
The dance skirt and the jewellery that's inside the box could go together for costumes.
Oh, yes! But that still doesn't tell us what our dance is going to be.
No. Oh, but there's one more thing in the box and it's very beautiful too. A ballerina.
Wait a minute. Ballerina box. Ballerina box. I know what our dance is going to be.
A ballerina box dance. I'm so excited to turn into a beautiful ballerina dancing on its jewellery box.
Why don't we start frozen like the ballerinas are on their box?
Yes, and the magic could wake us up.
Let's start with our feet in first position and our arms crossed like this.
Yes, I like that.
Did you know that there's a magic secret for the ballerina box?
There is?
Yes, when there is no one looking, they're able to come alive to dance.
Oh, that's wonderful.
We've been standing still for so long, so let's take our arms out and stretch them a little bit at first and then all the way up and down.
Oh, that was a nice stretch.
Although we can come alive to dance, our spell keeps us here on our ballerina box, where we always do our tippy-toe turn.
Oh yes, our tippy-toe turns. Just like this. We take our arms up to 5th position and turn.
That was very pretty.
Wow, it's so lovely to come alive. Let's have a look around the room.
Let's point our foot to the side. We'll use our transfer of weight as we look around the room.
Wow, there are so many things to see. Oh look, the teddies have seen us. They're so excited.
Isn't that nice? Shall we do some dancing for them?
We demi-plie and cross our arms. Good job. One more time.
Now we use our tippy-toe walks around the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now use some tippy-toe runs and bend your knees. Tippy-toe runs and bend your knees. Oh, I think the teddies liked it.
Let's show them how we can balance on one leg. That should impress them.
We lift one knee up with our arms to first position. Now we switch legs and put our arms to second. One more time with our arms to first position and ending for tippy toes to first position. Oh, we got a clap. Thank you, teddies.
I'm not sure if they've seen our points. That would impress them too.
Let's show them how to do those.
Let's place our hands on our hips. We point one foot forward and close it back into first position. And now the other foot. And close it back into first position.
And one more tippy-toe turn to finish our dance. Here we go. Great job, everyone.
I think I can hear someone coming. That means the magic will wear off soon.
Oh, maybe we should head off and do our dance. Wonderful, can you take us into our adventure now?
Okay, let's go. enjoy being a ballerina in a box?
I sure did.
Make sure to join in on our next dance adventure.
Bye for now.